Hey there, science adventurers! Welcome back to Saturday Science Explorers. Have you ever wondered how a compass always points north? Today, we're going to make our very own working compass using just a few simple items. Let's go exploring. You'll need a sewing needle, a small magnet or fridge magnet, a bowl of water, a piece of foam, cork, or a plastic bottle cap. Optional, a compass to check your results. Step 1. Take your needle and rub it along the magnet about 30 to 50 times, always in the same direction. This magnetizes the needle, turning it into a mini magnet. Step 2. Carefully push the needle through the foam, cork, or rest it gently on the plastic bottle cap. Make sure it can float freely on water. Step 3. Place the floating needle in your bowl of water. Now, watch what happens. Look at that. Your needle is turning all by itself and coming to a stop, pointing north. You've just made a compass. Why does this work? The Earth is like a giant magnet with a magnetic field running from the North Pole to the South Pole. When you magnetize the needle, it aligns with that invisible field and points north. Try taking your compass outdoors or turning around the bowl. The needle will still point north. It's a great way to learn about navigation, magnets, and the hidden forces around us. Well done, explorers. You've just created a tool that's guided adventurers, sailors, and scientists for centuries. Make sure to like, subscribe, and come back next week for another Saturday Science Explorers adventure. Until then, keep exploring.